Hey everyone, welcome to another episode with Quarantine with Rush. Today's guest is Nusrat Bahrain. So I'm just going to wait for her to join the call. Until then, grab some snacks. Hi Nusrat, how are you? Are you able to hear me?
Hi. Yeah. I'm able to hear you.
How
I'm
are
very
you
fine.
doing?
How?
I'm doing well.
Yeah. What's the time there?
It's 7:30 in the morning.
Oh, great. You are looking so fresh.
Thank you. There it's about, I guess 5. So how's
Fine.
the
Yeah.
weather
Right.
there?
It's very hot in Mumbai.
It's very hot. Yeah, I guess this is when it starts to get very warm and yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started. And obviously, the first topic will be quarantine. So, this is
Okay.
the first time in the world where everyone is kind of in this together. So, during this quarantine, if you could bring one person, who would it be? Because we can't travel. So, if you could have one person with you at home, who would it be?
I'm missing my youngest brother very much as he's sort of fun. He's in class 8, and I'm missing the environment with him.
Okay. Is he with your parents right now?
Yeah, he's staying with my parents. They are all in MP, Madhya Pradesh, and I am in Mumbai with my elder brother. So I'm
Yeah,
missing home.
you're missing home. Yeah, I can imagine. I'm luckily with my parents right now, so it's good. So
Oh,
what are
that's
you,
great.
yeah, exactly. What are you missing the most right now? What's something
The
that,
home food.
home food?
Yeah, the home food. Yeah, my mother's food. Like I'm here cooking myself. Yet I'm cooking very well, but
Yeah.
I'm missing home food.
So what's the best dish you've cooked so far? Did you cook before, or because of this quarantine you have to cook more now?
No, because of this quarantine and lockdown time, I'm cooking myself. Like I'm cooking by myself. Earlier I wasn't able to like I didn't get that much time to cook.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
right now I'm cooking for the first time.
Okay. Is there any like good dish you made, and does your brother help at all?
Yeah, I guess my brother knows cooking better than me. So he dictated me what all to put in all the vegetables. And yes,
Yeah.
I've cooked, and so far I've cooked gajar ka halwa.
Oh
That's an Indian
wow, I
dish.
love gajar ka halwa.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
So it was quite nice. I can
Yeah.
give 3.5 rating out of 5.
That's not bad. It's hard to make, so that's good. And
Yeah,
then have you started any shows?
not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so that's good. I think for me, I think in the beginning, what I did for 2 weeks, all I did was watch movies and shows. And now I have like nothing to watch. So definitely a good option when you get bored. What's the first thing you're gonna do once this quarantine is over?
I will pad up and go to hit my practice session. Like I would hit
Yeah.
nets, do batting and keeping as well. I'm missing those practice sessions a lot.
So are you practicing it all at home? I mean, any type of, what is your training like at home right now?
Yeah, basically, we players, the most important thing for us is our physical fitness.
Yeah.
So I'm working out at home itself, and sometimes I come up to the terrace to work out. So just with the help of few bands like loop bands and Tara tubes,
Mhm.
I'm doing my workouts, light
Okay.
workouts, activating my muscles.
Yeah. But it's hard to, I guess, do anything, with the bat or even practice really, right? Right now. Like it's
Sorry,
थोड़ा सा
what?
थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो रहा है मतलब कि क्रिकेट की प्रैक्टिस करना अभी.
Yeah, correct. Like we can do batting drills and keeping drills. Some catches we can do, but एक प्रॉपर जो नेट सेशन होता है,
हम्म
जो प्रॉपर प्रैक्टिस होता है, वो नहीं मिल पा रहा है।
ओके, तो अब हम चले बचपन की यादों में. So, who was
यस
your
श्योर।
biggest supporter when you were growing up?
My
Like,
elder sister, her name is Nemat Parveen. Actually, for studies as well as for preparation of all sort of exams or any competition or debates, I was totally dependent on her. Like I used to follow her actions, whatever she does. So जितना भी अभी मतलब I was a good student, like I was a
yeah.
bright student, I scored good marks, so all thanks to her. क्योंकि वो late night जाग के मुझे पढ़ाया करती थी, so I
Hmm.
was totally dependent on her.
No, that's really good. It's always good when it's like that. So what was your training like during childhood days? I know, you played other sports and we'll talk about that as well, but what was, your cricket training like? When did you start and how often would you practice?
Actually, I started cricket a bit later, at the age of 13, I guess.
Okay.
uh, So I used to travel 7 8 kilometers away to the stadium, cricket stadium, which was very far from my home, and I used to go by cycle. It was like I used to get up at 4:30 or 5 o'clock in the morning for my morning sessions, and in the afternoon I used to go by 4:30 for the evening sessions. So in such hot weather, my mother used to like she wanted me not to go in such hot weather, but still I used to hide and go for my practice sessions.
So was it hard, I mean, with your parents growing up a bit, like in terms of, playing sports, or how was that? Like in the
No,
in the
I used
terms
to
of,
travel all. Yeah, like you're asking about my traveling to the stadium.
yeah.
Uh, yeah, I used to travel alone. Like from childhood itself, I wanted to be independent. So I used to travel alone or with one or two cricket mates. But the fortunate thing with me was my coach and my cricket mates. They were very helpful.
Mhm.
So they didn't allow me to go back alone as it was dark and scary. They used to drop me off to the home.
Okay, that's good. And then kind of growing up, what were some societal pressures you faced being a girl who was interested in sports? I think in society these days, I mean, it's become a little bit more accepting, but it's even something I faced, right? When a girl is trying to do anything in the sports industry. So how was that for you growing up in terms of, family pressures and maybe even the people who are around you, neighbors or anything like that?
More than being a girl, I think the major pressure was being a Muslim girl,
Okay.
because in our society, some of us follow spada system and all, and
Yeah.
but luckily in my house it was not so. So some of uncle and aunties in my society used to talk
Mhm.
to Papa and Mama about me, that it doesn't look good me playing with boys and going out and being outside the home for
Mm,
long hours. So but my parents didn't tell me this at that time. बहुत लेट में मुझे ये चीजें पता चली,
uh,
ऑलमोस्ट जब मैं एक अच्छे लेवल पे खेल रही थी तो. बट सोसाइटी का नजरिया ऐसा होता है कि बीइंग अ गर्ल आपको घर पे रहना है और घर के काम करने हैं, बाहर
uh,
नहीं जाना है ज़्यादा.
हाँ, हाँ,
बट
हाँ, हाँ.
अगेन आई वुड से कि उनका भी परसेप्शन चेंज हुआ जब मैंने एक कुछ अचीवमेंट हासिल की. उनका भी
हम्म.
नज़रिया बदला, उनका भी
Yeah.
परसेप्शन चेंज हुआ. नाउअडेज़ वो दे फील प्राउड दैट उनके सोसाइटी से एक लड़की इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में आई.
Exactly. I think वो like often होता है जब आप कुछ करने के लिए ट्राई करते हो, फिर सोसाइटी ना बोलती है, लेकिन आप जब करते हो then they're all like, we were proud of you, we were always supporting you. वो थोड़ा हो जाता है क्योंकि मैं अमेरिका में
करेक्ट.
पली बड़ी हूँ. तो यहाँ आई मीन मिक्स होता है, मतलब कि मेरे पेरेंट्स तो इंडिया में बोर्न हुए, रेज्ड हुए, तो उनकी कभी कभी थिंकिंग अलग होती है, मेरी थिंकिंग अलग होती है, क्योंकि यहाँ जो ब्रॉटअप होता है, मतलब यहाँ ज्यादा वो फ्रीडम होती है, इतना वो होता नहीं है कि
Correct. I could say the change in my elder brother's behavior as well. Like
yeah,
he is much more open towards the society and all the things.
exactly, yeah. So when you were younger, what sibling did you fight with the most? कौन से sibling के
My
साथ?
younger sister, yeah, her name is Asha Perveen. Now she is playing badminton. She's into badminton.
Yeah,
But at young age, when I used to be back at home, I used to fight with her for small things.
okay. Yeah, I have a younger sister as well, and we still fight. It's like the fight is nonstop, and she's only 2 years younger, so I can imagine. एक सब्जेक्ट स्कूल में कौन सा था जिससे नफरत थी, मतलब कि वो क्लास पसंद ही
History,
नहीं?
obviously, no doubt.
हिस्ट्री?
Yeah.
What
I was
मुझे
much
तो
more into practical subjects like mathematics
हाँ
and science. I used to like, but after 10th, because of my sports thing, I opted for commerce and math subjects.
हाँ,
But I like more of practical subjects.
और मुझे मुझे हिस्ट्री ज्यादा प्रैक्टिकल लगती है, क्योंकि वो होता है, मतलब कि मैथ और साइंस ऐसा है जो जब स्टडी किए थे और जो फॉर्मूलाज अभी है वो किसी ने डिस्कवर की थे, तो मतलब कि वो
Yeah,
इतने भी एग्जैक्ट लाइक बहुत प्रिसाइज है, पर साइंस भी मतलब 100% तो नहीं, लाइक मुझे ऐसा लगता है लॉट
yeah,
ऑफ
they
थिंग्स
are
इन
not
साइंस
precise.
या so I like history because it's like you're learning from the past, you have so much from the past that you learn from, so I've always enjoyed history.
Maybe the teacher who taught us
Wasn't
was
good,
not
yeah.
so,
That
yeah,
exactly
good.
that happens
Because
often
I
when it
used to study that subject from my elder sister,
huh,
and काफी late nights पढ़ती थी before
yeah,
exam complete होता था वो subject. That's why I felt so.
yeah, I think so too. Um, so why did you choose cricket over football? Playing football, you played football, at such a level, and then going into cricket. So what was that all? How did that go?
Actually, I didn't want to leave football, as when people used to say that there is less scope in football, मैं बहुत irritate हो जाती थी और out of
Mm-hmm.
anger कुछ बोल देती थी. But once in 2011, my district cricket association secretary convinced me to join a district cricket team, as it was going to a place named Riva for
Yeah.
a tournament of 2-3 matches, and
Hmm.
I was one of the most fit girl in that region. Like in Singrauli, ज़्यादा girls participate नहीं करती थी sports
Yeah.
में तब. Majorly athletics में लड़कियां मिलती थी, but not in other sports. But I used to play all the sports. Like I used to play gully cricket as well. So the secretary convinced me to join the district team, and I went to Riva thinking that 2-3 matches की बात है. So, but I ended up scoring there and getting selected further in the state team पहली बार में ही. So we went to play interstate matches. There we lost the match and came back. So that thing hit my heart so badly, that how could we lose the match? How could we not qualify? So the thing was that उसकी वजह से मैंने और हार्ड वर्क किया और टेक्निकली इम्प्रूव किया खुद को, स्टिल कर रही हूँ, ताकि हम क्वालिफाई हो. देन धीरे धीरे पता चला देयर आर सर्टेन लेवल्स टू बी अचीव्ड. तो वो मैंने शॉर्टर गोल्स सेट किए. तब तक क्रिकेट और फुटबॉल का जो नेशनल कैंप था वो उसकी डेट्स क्लैश होती थी. मतलब अगर आपको प्रोफेशनली एक स्पोर्ट खेलना है इंडिया में, तो आपको स्टडीज से भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता है और दूसरे स्पोर्ट्स से भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता है. तब तक क्रिकेट मेरे जहन में बस चुका था, तो मैंने फिर क्रिकेट पे ही फोकस किया.
ओके, तो अब क्रिकेट की बात होती है, तो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू क्रिकेट. सो जब आप आपको पता चला कि आप सिलेक्टेड थे फॉर द इंडियन वुमेन्स टीम, How were the reactions from, family and friends?
I still remember I was traveling back to my home from Bhopal after applying for my passport. I don't know, I got that intuition that I should apply for my passport, and I applied for that. I was traveling back to home with my best friend and her family as it was the occasion of Diwali. So I got a call from my cricket friend. She's a player in Karnataka Cricket Association. She called me. The network was poor. I couldn't connect at that time. But she messaged me congratulating me about the selection. So
Mhm.
I thought I might got selected in India A series or something like that. But when I got to know that I have been selected for representing country, uh, that was such a goosebump moment that
Yeah.
I went and I asked my friend to pinch me because I was not able to realize that. And then I called my parents, my brother, all my friends. All of them were so excited when I reached station. They all came to receive me, and it
Yeah.
was a very nice experience.
Okay. So who on the team do you get along with the most from the
Deepti
Indian team?
Sharma.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
Deepti
she,
Sharma. She's an off-break bowler, and also both of us are of same age and have played a lot of cricket together.
okay. What has been your favorite tour?
No doubt, World Cup 2017, One Day World Cup 2017. I still remember the moment when we needed just 90 runs and we were chasing well. Um, and I was thinking that after 1 hour the results will be out and what will happen. Like I was just thinking about the results, and it was cold weather there. I was shivering so much.
Hmm.
So that situation जो उस टाइम पे आया था, आई गेस मेरे लाइफ में वो पहली बार आया था और अभी तक याद है मुझे। 23 जुलाई 2017 हर साल याद करती हूँ। और जब
Yeah.
तक आई गेस वर्ल्ड कप कंट्री नहीं आ जाता तब तक
Huh.
चैन नहीं मिलेगा।
I know, honestly. So what's been your most memorable experience on the field?
Recently, I went to Australia
Yeah.
to play a tournament series, India A versus Australia A.
Mhm.
Before that, I scored quite good runs in domestic seniors T20 tournament. Uh, so I scored three half centuries back to back, and then got selected to go to Australia. And there also I scored 143 runs and 44 runs back to back. So this is one of the major reasons why I was able to do my comeback in the main squad.
Yeah. No, definitely. That was very good. I know I had seen those matches. So what is one character trait that you think is needed as a cricketer? कोई भी क्रिकेटर हो तो
Uh,
एक कैरेक्टर ट्रेट क्या है जो होना चाहिए?
I think according to me, smartness and willing to try out something, because we all know cricket is 70% mental game and 30% physical game. So
Hmm.
the changes according to the situation matters a lot on the field.
If you had a chance to spend an entire day with any cricketer, who would it be? Training, like मतलब कि training करना पूरा दिन, एक cricketer के साथ कौन होगा?
Sarah Taylor, she's ex-cricketer of from England.
Mhm.
Right now, she has taken retirement, but she is one of the best wicket keepers in the world, and
Mhm.
I would like to train with her.
Okay. So now let's move beyond cricket and get to know you a little bit beyond cricket. So what is one place you really want to visit?
Tromsø in Norway to see the northern lights.
Yeah, no, I've been wanting to go to Finland very badly because you can see the lights from there, but Finland, that whole area I've not gone to, so same. What is your
I
favorite
guess
food?
it is
Or
visible in US as well, in some part of US as well.
I think in Alaska. So Alaska is actually not even really a part of USA. It's like next to Canada. But I think in Alaska during some time of the year, I have not seen it though. I haven't been to Alaska, but I think in Alaska you can see the lights. What's your
Okay.
favorite food?
Pani puri. Other than if I move to snacks, my favorite thing is pani puri. Like I miss Singroli's. My place is pani puri very much.
Really? Is it like,
Yeah.
because I thought Mumbai was famous for pani puri. But
No, but I do not rate Mumbai's pani puri more than Singroli's pani puri.
okay. What is a cool talent you have besides sports?
I guess I have a good sense of humor. Like if
Okay.
someone is sad or out of her or his mood, I can talk to her. I can make him or her happy with smiling face.
That's good. It's always good to stay smiling.
Yeah.
What is your favorite song?
Iktara from Wake Up Sid.
Okay. Who is your favorite actor or actress?
Tapsi Pannu in actress and actor, of course, Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh, you're a huge fan of Ranveer Singh?
Yeah.
I remember when his first movie had came out, and I actually really liked him. And at that time, I think most people like, they were like, "Why do you like him so much?" But yeah, I think he's a very versatile actor. The way he plays his roles.
Yeah, correct. I guess the first movie has worked into is Band Baja Barat.
Yeah. Yep. With Anushka
Yeah.
Sharma. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the most used app on your phone?
Of course, Instagram after WhatsApp.
Okay. So now we're gonna do a quick rapid fire of this or that. So I'm gonna give you two options and you have to pick one. Okay. Chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate.
Sunglasses or shoes?
Sunglasses.
Movies or shows?
Movies.
Gulab jamun or jalebi?
Jalebi.
Pani puri or vada pav? I guess I know the answer.
Yeah, Pani Puri.
New clothes or a new phone?
New phone.
Bollywood or Hollywood?
Bollywood, always.
Phone call or text?
Phone call.
Okay. And Instagram or WhatsApp?
That's a little difficult. WhatsApp.
WhatsApp? Okay. The fan question. It's from Sriram. If you would like to change one rule in cricket, what would it be? So कोई
One
भी
role
rule
as
change
in
करना हो तो वो कौन सा rule होगा?
man cutting. The way the bowlers that comes out of the spirit of cricket. I guess the way the bowlers hits the stumps to make out the non-striker. That rule I really don't like.
Yeah, I think that's definitely one debatable rule where so many people have their opinions, and we've seen that happen. Whenever that happens, it's such a controversial.
That doesn't come under the spirit of cricket, but yet some bowlers tend to do that because at that time the main wicket is much more important than the spirit of the game, I guess.
Yeah, definitely. Well, I would like to thank you so much for joining and making the time out. And also, I do have a show. It's called Bubble Tea with Rosh. That is something I have to do in person because it has to be with bubble tea. Have you ever had bubble tea?
Not yet.
Okay. So hopefully by the time I meet you, you haven't had it and we'll have some bubble tea.
Yeah, sure. I've seen your show. I've been through that. So I'm also waiting for that. Whenever we meet, surely I'll join your show.
Yes, definitely. So I hope the rest of the quarantine days go well for you and hopefully we get out of this soon so you can get back in the field playing cricket. Thank you so much again.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.